We evacuated our camper to stay safe from Hurricane Helene, and we're staying in an Airbnb on the outside of Tampa. We decided not to go to Orlando because halfway on our drive, we saw that the storm shifted, so there was no need to go so far. And we even thought about going back into our camper, but we decided not to risk it and just stay in an Airbnb. But while we wait, let me tell you, people were freaking out about the video I posted yesterday saying that we had no idea there was a storm coming, and we found out 2 days ago. Not everybody watches the news all the time, and my social media did not show it, so relax, people. So as of now, we moved both cars to the garage, and we sit and wait for the storm to pass by. So far, it's a sunny day, beautiful day, no sign of rain, so we'll see what happens. I'll be sharing more throughout the day.